Why is last-mile delivery difficult for freight rail? Imagine you have a package that needs to reach your doorstep. You might think that freight rail could be the fastest way to get it there. However, last-mile delivery for freight rail is quite challenging. Let's break down why that is. First, freight rail systems are built for long distances and large shipments. They excel at moving bulk goods across states but struggle with the final leg of delivery. The last mile is where packages go from a rail terminal to your home or business. This part of the journey requires speed and flexibility, which freight rail does not provide. One major issue is infrastructure. Rail networks are designed to transport goods over long distances, often placing terminals from urban centers. This means that once the goods arrive at a rail terminal, they still need to travel a significant distance to reach customers. Rail lines do not typically run through residential neighborhoods, making direct delivery impractical. Another challenge is the lack of flexibility. Freight rail operates on fixed schedules and routes. If a customer needs a package delivered quickly or changes the delivery address, rail transport cannot easily accommodate those requests. Last-mile delivery often requires dynamic routing and quick responses, which rail systems cannot provide. Additionally, last-mile delivery often involves many small packages going to different locations. Freight rail usually transports large, consolidated shipments. Breaking these down into smaller loads for delivery requires extra handling and transfers to trucks or vans. This adds time and complexity to the process. Furthermore, transferring goods from trains to trucks at terminals adds another layer of difficulty. This transfer can lead to delays and increased costs. Rail cannot reach many urban delivery points directly, making coordination between rail and road transport essential but complicated. Urban traffic also poses challenges. Trucks face congestion and access restrictions, but rail systems cannot bypass these issues either. This means that even if goods arrive by rail, they may still get stuck in traffic during the last mile. Lastly, developing rail infrastructure that reaches deeper into urban areas is expensive. Setting up specialized last-mile rail services requires significant investment and collaboration with local authorities. Often, this is not cost-effective compared to using trucks for last-mile delivery. In logistics and supply chain management, integrating freight rail into last-mile delivery requires careful planning. It is important to optimize transfers between rail and road transport and use technology for better route planning. While rail is excellent for long-haul transport, trucks and other flexible modes are better suited for the last mile. This combination helps balance cost and speed while ensuring customer satisfaction.